Final game. Tagub tayo na naman. Ay, I forgot. This is not stone. We can easily... Just jump. Just jump. Ah! 4, 5, 6 has been eliminated. Oh, just jump. My goose. Ow. Oh, just die. Just hurt me. My old self. Just jump. And 1, 2, 3. Ay! Ay! No! So, to be honest, I kind of hurt my leg. This one, it's hurting because of that video that I accidentally fall. Because this is my setup, guys. I will say to you. Wait. This is my setup, guys. I'm just standing here. I accidentally fall. Like here. I accidentally fall. Like this guy. Because this is a sofa. See? It's a sofa. So I kind of hurt my leg. Because on the back of it, there's spikes. To be honest, I accidentally bled my foot here a little bit. And this leg is hurting here. The next to the knee is this one. Because like it do like a hard toy like fall on it. And I said, ow! And I just stand up and pause the video for a second. Yeah. I will watch this video.